I see security coming down that way.
Pretty dead too. Wow, nobody at the tables. No. Go ahead. They're closing down everything. This is pretty much what's happening right now. About 7:45. This is called the Cromwell Casino on the Strip, Las Vegas Boulevard. Governor announced a complete closure of the city at midnight tonight. So the casinos are doing whatever they have to do to wrap things up. It's gonna be closed for 30 days. It used to be the not
yeah, Wild Bill.
wow.
Yep.
What was the name of the casino that used to be here?
Bill's and then Barbary Coast.
Barbary Coast. Barbary Coast. I remember this long hallway.
Yeah, it's cool.
Huh?
It's cool.
Yeah.
I like the vibe in here. Should have came when it was open.
I know. Now it's called the Cromwell.
Kind of eerie.
Yeah. Very dark. Oh, this is where Dre's nightclub is.
Oh yeah?
Upstairs. Right there.
I've been there before. Let's go out that back door.
That way, yeah. We're just walking through, get out of the cold a little bit.
Yeah. Till when?
We don't know yet. That's just what we're told right now.
Cool.
All right.
Keep your heads up. My son got laid off from Honda.
Thanks. The door this way? Closing shop for 30 days.
How are you? Smile.
It's automatic. Nice.
He's on the radio talking.
Hmm?
He's on the radio talking because he saw me take pictures.
Yeah, they're telling other people. They were telling other people where we were. This way.